All right, man, let me tell y'all about this dumbass trade I took, man. It wasn't a dumbass trade. Let me stop. It wasn't a dumb trade. It was a good trade. We just didn't. I should have had my stops in a better area, bro. That's it, honestly. I should have just had my stops in a better spot. So I took this trade right here, right? Let's see where we entered at. Took this trade. It was a late entry. I think it was a late entry. I think it was. Was it a late entry? I don't think it was a late entry. Yeah, I think it was kind of a late entry. Nah, it wasn't a late entry. It was kind of. I would say it was a late entry. I would have liked the entry to be here, but it was a late entry nonetheless. I had a clear entry on the 2-minute though, which is right in here. Right, so I had this. I probably had my stops right there. And then I was just trying to get down into this area here. So let me mark those out. So we had the entry right here. This is a fair value gap that popped up right here. Let me show y'all this, man. So we had a fair value gap that was right here. Let me start this over something. Fair value gap that was right there. Then we also had, but this is an even better entry right up here, man. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is an even better entry up here on this trade. You could have just took this whole little area right here. Boom. I was trying to catch that. As y'all can see, we went down to a little bit of profit. Right, then we ultimately came up and look, I automatically knew where my stop was supposed to be at. Look, I knew I had it close around there. And then as you can see, price turned around to me. I knew my safest place to have the stops would have been above this level. This would have been the safest place to have my stops, which would have been up here. I think really safest would have been up here. Right, that would have been the safest. I really should have waited on the entry in this area or waited on another entry, pull back into this area, stretch it out over here. I'll put another one, put another box for the entry area, right? Could have waited on this one. They gave me two areas for entry, basically, 2 spots. And then that thing just sold off, bruh, into the New York session, bruh. What was this time? 8:30. Price reversed at 8:30. Crazy. That's an insane trade, bruh. Look at this. Bruh, if I would have had my stops in the right place, this would have been like a dog. This would have been a damn hell of a trade. What is this area down here anyways? Right? What is that area down there? About to draw a horizontal line across so I can see. Let's look left. What is going on? Look like an area of just support for the most part. It might be a fair value gap there if I go down to the 1 minute, but there's a fair value gap right here for sure. This is the start of a fair value gap. So I'll draw a horizontal line right here. Boom. All right, get us back over there. All right, cool. Right, so that was our area, man. So we would have pulled out almost a 1-25 or something like that. And yeah, we missed that trade, bro. And so as you can see, I woke up late today. I woke up to like 1 o'clock, and I woke up to like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And you can see as we came into this thing, bro. What time is this thing on right now? This is insane. Alerts, trading canvas symbol. 24 hours, 1 day, status line, symbol. Why are we on Los Angeles? I have no idea, because I used to live in Los Angeles, probably why. Let's go to New York. Okay, so this was, we sold out to 11:30. So I mean at 8:30 we had this, 9:30 we had this push up from here, and then we just continued to sell off. Let me get this out of the way. So like I said, this is at 8:30 we had this pull down. We had a little shoot down from here, right? We had this little shoot down from here. This little shoot down from here, boom. Right, then we shot up, and then we just continued selling off. Just continue selling off. Right. That's cool. I think next time what I can do is, if I'm gonna I could be a little more patient on the entry, because what I did on this entry too is that I just set the limit order. After the impulse moved down, I just set my limit order for the pullback, and then my limit order was filled. But I knew I had more room up here, and I was like, man, it could pull back, man. Because it came right down into this fair value gap right here. Came right down into this fair value gap, and then shot up. Boom, shot up. Came back for this fair value gap, continued down. And we could have got an insane trade. What does this look like on a higher time frame? I don't know. Oh, that's not even crazy. That's your typical biblical. Nah, let me stop. That's your typical move right there, man. It came right back down into this area. I probably would have took it to like this area of resistance, or support. Sorry. They took it to this area of support, got to pull back, and we selling off again, my guy. We selling off again. We got big day ones down here. We got big, so that's why I'm about to go cash this check. At 12, I'm gonna deposit some bread. I might catch another trade tonight, cause that thing's selling off crazy. Man, they like, man, we selling, bro. Hey, man, look, that's the trade update for the day. I ain't got too much to talk about. Oh, let me see. That was the play out. That's how price played out today, guys, from the 7:30 news. Which, let's see how the 7:30 news turned out. Search. Forex Factory. Let's see how the news played out today. The news, 7:30. Unemployment claims came out better than. Hey, man, these things have been significantly dropping, and the market continues to sold off. That's okay. That's good. So we see. And we have no more real news. We got news Friday, which is insignificant news. And then, man, look, that's all I got, bro. We about to get a little light workout in this thing, bro. I did a workout today already, so I'm about to go get it in the gym real quick. I worked out today earlier. Today I did this kind of full body movement. It was curl. I had a preacher bar. I was doing curls to overhead press to, I was also doing upright rows. I do the bent over rows, and then I was doing squats. I did overhead press, then I did squats, and then I did like a deadlift sumo squat, right? So I did like 3 rounds of that, 20 reps each. So that was pretty good just to get us started. And then yeah, man, look, that's all I got for y'all tonight, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. Y'all know what I'm on. Riders X Rise to the occasion. Peace.